Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your phone is online and uses the Google account you'll manage. This is crucial because Android Device Manager talks to Google servers. Once done, open Settings and enable Find My Device or toggle location and remote access in Google Settings so the phone can be located. Make sure you note the exact account email and device name. These identifiers let you target the right device remotely and avoid accidental access. Now you proceed to the web tool or the app and sign in with the same Google account. This connects you to any linked devices. You'll see a map and a list. Pick the target device and use Ring to find it nearby, lock to set a temporary password and display a message, or erase to wipe data if theft is likely. Make sure to understand that erase removes access for future locating. If unsure, try lock first and add a recovery phone number. Finish by confirming the command succeeded in the Android Device Manager interface and verify the device responds as expected. If the phone is offline, be patient. Commands queue and execute once the device reconnects. Make sure you receive email confirmations. If something fails, check the Google account sign-in, GPS and mobile data or Wi-Fi, and that Find My Device stayed turned on. If necessary, sign out and back in to refresh permissions. Then repeat the intended action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.